How to change the mouse keys speed using Ctrl and Shift keys in Windows 11. Did you know you can move your mouse pointer using your keyboard? Windows 11's mouse keys feature lets you control the pointer with your number pad and even adjust the speed using Ctrl and Shift. In this video, we'll show you how to turn mouse keys on or off in Windows 11, plus answer some common questions so you can use it with confidence. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Enable or disable via settings. For this method, press Window+I to open Settings. Go to Accessibility, Interaction, Mouse. Toggle mouse keys on or off. Use Ctrl to speed up and Shift to slow down the pointer. You can also adjust other options, but this method has limited controls. Method 2. Enable or disable by navigating the control panel. This method provides access to advanced mouse key settings for further customization. Press Window or Start, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Set the view to large or small icons. Click Ease of Access Center. Then choose Make the mouse easier to use. Next, select Set up mouse keys under Control the mouse with the keyboard. Turn mouse keys on, adjust your settings, and click OK to save. Method 3. Enable or disable using Registry Editor. This method is ideal for businesses that need to configure devices through scripts when access to the graphical interface is limited. Press Window+R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Go to H key, current user, / control panel, / accessibility, / mouse keys. Double-click flags and set the value to 126 to disable or 127 to enable mouse keys. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Helpful information regarding mouse keys. Before enabling or disabling mouse keys in Windows 11, there are a few things to keep in mind. This feature is set up on a per-user basis, so if multiple people use the same device, you'll need to enable it for each account. You can use PowerShell to apply it across all users. Also, mouse keys must be enabled for the feature to work properly. Otherwise, the number pad will function normally. And finally, there's no built-in group policy option for mouse keys, so if you want to manage it for multiple devices, you'll need to use a script or edit the registry instead. Windows 11's mouse keys is an accessibility feature that lets you move, click, and drag the pointer using your number pad. You can also adjust the pointer speed for better control. It's designed to make keyboard-based navigation easier. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable mouse keys in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.